Hello everyone and welcome to Lip Code. Today we are talking about one of the strangest and most viral beauty trends on the internet. People are rubbing banana peels on their lips and claiming it makes them softer, pinker, and even plumper. It sounds funny, right? But does it really work, or is this just another internet myth? Let us find out together, with some help from dermatology science. First, let us talk about what people are saying online. If you have been scrolling through social media, you may have seen videos of people applying the inside of a banana peel on their lips. They say it gives an instant glow, hydration, and a natural tint. The reason this became so popular is simple. It is natural, it costs almost nothing, and it feels like a creative way to recycle what would normally be thrown away. But as with most viral hacks, the results are not always what they seem. Now, what is actually inside a banana peel? Banana peels contain several nutrients that are good for the skin. They include vitamin C, potassium, natural sugars, and antioxidants. When you rub the inside of the peel on your lips, those natural oils and sugars create a thin layer that locks in moisture. That is why your lips might feel softer right away. However, that smooth feeling usually lasts only a short time. When the peel dries, it can leave your lips feeling tight or even drier if you do not apply something over it. Dermatologists explain that banana peel is not harmful for most people, but it is also not a miracle cure. It gives a temporary layer of hydration, but it does not treat dryness or help your lips stay healthy long term. If you want healthy lips, dermatologists recommend 3 simple habits. First, exfoliate gently once or twice a week using a mild scrub. Second, use lip care products that include hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid or glycerin. And third, protect your lips with a balm that includes SPF during the day. Banana peel does not exfoliate and it does not provide sun protection. So even if it makes your lips feel nice for a few minutes, it is not a substitute for real lip care. Still, it can be a fun and safe experiment if you enjoy trying natural do-it-yourself beauty tricks. If you decide to try the banana peel method, do it safely. Start with a fresh banana that is not overripe. Clean your lips first, then gently rub the inside of the peel across them for about 30 seconds. Leave the peel on for about 5 minutes, then rinse it off or wipe it away with a damp cloth. After that, apply a moisturizing lip balm or natural oil such as coconut or almond oil to seal and hydration. Avoid doing this if your lips are cracked, bleeding, or if you have cold sores, because even natural ingredients can cause irritation. If you want a dermatologist-approved way to get softer lips naturally, here is a better idea. Mix a small amount of honey and sugar together to create a natural exfoliating scrub. Use it once a week to remove dry skin. Then apply a hydrating balm every day, especially before bed. This method actually helps your lips stay smooth and moisturized, not just for a few minutes, but for days. So what is the final verdict on banana peel lip hacks? It is safe for most people, and it can make your lips feel soft temporarily. But it will not make your lips permanently fuller or pinker. It is more of a quick hydration trick than a real treatment. If you enjoy the idea of natural beauty, it can still be a fun and harmless experiment. But for long-term results, good lip care and consistent hydration will always work better. Remember, healthy lips start from inside your body too. Drink plenty of water, avoid licking your lips too often, and keep a good lip balm with you every day. Those small habits protect your lips more than any quick hack. Thank you for watching Lip Code. If you enjoyed this dermatologist reaction, give the video a like and share it with your friends who love trying new beauty trends. Tell us in the comments what strange lip hacks you have tried, and whether they worked for you. Do not forget to subscribe for more honest reactions, science-based lip care advice, and easy beauty ideas every week. Stay confident, stay creative, and keep your lips healthy and beautiful.